What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some VLand headlights with Diode Dynamics HID kit so that you guys can have a very nice lighting system, very nice headlights, all in your BRZ or FRS. So let's get started. First of all, the VLand headlights come with an 8-pin connection. So there you go. They don't come with any bulbs, so you have to either buy LED bulbs or you buy a Diode Dynamics HID kit. So here is the bulb with all the connections. It's actually pretty high quality. You can see even inside there. It's got a canceling thing right here, error canceller, and it's got all types of connections. It's all wired up with connectors that hook up straight to the bulb and hook up straight to your power. So the first thing we're going to want to go ahead and do is put that bulb in there. But before that, if you have a BRZ, obviously you're not going to need to worry about the 8-pin connector. But if you have an FRS, don't worry, it actually comes with a 6-pin connector. It goes from an 8 to a 6, so you can go ahead and install it on your car. These extra wires here are for you to get the power signal from somewhere else. So with the BRZ, you can just hook this up and you're done. But with the FRS, you gotta actually get the power signals, because obviously there's 2 wires missing here. So you gotta get the power so that your boomerang will light up. So let's see if this works. If not, I might have to do the same thing with the BRZ one so that you can trigger the boomerang to turn on by itself. So let's go ahead and put the bulb in. So the first thing you have to do is just twist this plastic thing, and then you see this clip, you clip it over this, and then you put the bulb in, and then you put this back in and twist it back on, and you will have it working. So these are, I believe, H7 bulbs. Let me get this. Yeah, it's an H7 5000K HID kit. Not sure, this doesn't seem to be an H7 on this VLand, but this is what the customer brought me. I got them to work, so I guess it'll work for you as you go this route as well. So now the next thing you have to do is, you see these cables right here, how they're connected on the other side of this grommet. We're gonna go ahead and connect it to the original power source here. Obviously black will be ground, and then red, we'll just put it with the green. And that actually works because I tested it on the one that's already installed. So let's go ahead and connect those. After those 2 are connected, obviously color coded with the black, green, and the red. Next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and remove this little rubber cap right here. It's about a 1-inch hole, and then this grommet is a 1-inch grommet, so we just gotta get it all the way through and then seal it up. So let's do that now. And that's how it should look after you're done. Perfectly sealed. There's gonna be no moisture getting in there. And I know you're probably gonna have trouble getting this through that 1-inch hole, but you just kind of put it in sideways and then just push it through and it'll go through. I promise it fits. Don't be afraid to push it through and force it a little bit, because it won't break. You'll be fine. And now we have to hook up the ballast to this. So now that you got your headlights installed, we have to figure out where to put the ballast and where to bolt this down. So it does come with a 3M double-sided tape foam thing, and we're just gonna stick them to the bottom of the headlight where they're not in the way. Obviously I could have put them before, but you don't know if something's in the way, so you want to make sure that you just put it on after. So we're gonna put this on here, and then we're gonna try to put it under here there's like a flat spot where the headlight, underneath the headlight, and that's typically where the HID kit goes on the OEM ones that come with HID. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it there. It's probably, if the OEM manufacturers put it there, why not put it there as well? So let's go ahead and do that. So that was it for this video. Hope this video helped you, hope it was useful, hope that you guys can do this to your car as well, because it looks amazing. I'm kind of debating whether I should do it to my FRS now, because it's very simple, very nice looking headlights with a nice HID kit. But for now, I'm gonna keep mine because they go with the theme of the GT86, because that's how the Japanese versions have them. So we'll see, maybe in the future. So I hope you guys like this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.